If you're a manufacturer and looking to use automation to overcome human resource scarcity, reduce cost of manual labour, ensure 100% traceability, and continuously improve focus in manufacturing, then Brady are here to help. Activate the competitive advantage of smart manufacturing. Start with error-free identification thanks to a fully automated printed circuit board labelling solution. Did you know that every circuit board you produce can become a data generator for your manufacturing execution system? There's a clever way to make sure every PCB in production is connected to your smart factory. Automated print and apply solutions from Brady. A fully automated printed circuit board labeling solution can enable traceability and manufacturing data analysis without human interference. Brady can offer several automation solutions depending on your needs. Brady Label Printer Applicators reliably automates printed circuit board labeling, consistently prints and applies tiny polyimide labels that can resist the entire PCB production process. Or you can choose the advanced inline high-end automated systems which automatically print and place a reliable traceability label anywhere on any multi or single board standard PCB in 3 seconds. Or view the many other Brady solutions that can help increase workplace efficiency, provide more data analysis for continuous improvement, increased data accuracy, faster problem intervention, faster product batch localization, and many other benefits to your manufacturing process. Automated labeling can significantly increase the speed at which products like printed circuit boards and other electronic components can be identified. It enables you to comply with traceability requirements while protecting profitability. Brady offers a complete automated labeling solution that includes industrial-grade labels, automated label printing software, and automated print and apply systems. It's always great to meet with like-minded people in the manufacturing industry to share ideas, challenges, and visions. So when you're ready, get in touch to arrange a meeting and a free demo.